Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming account status and any pending charges. This matters because Jio refunds deposits only after dues clear. Once done, note the exact deposit amount, payment date, and reference ID from your bill or welcome SMS. Make sure the mobile number on your ID matches the account. If not, correct the KYC first. You'll need Aadhaar or PAN plus a copy of the latest bill for verification, so gather PDFs or screenshots now before contacting support. You should initiate the refund request through My Jio for a documented trail. Open support, choose refund/deposit, attach ID and bill, and submit. If the app fails, call 1991 and request a ticket or visit a Jio store with originals to get a stamped receipt. Once the ticket is created, note the request ID and expected processing time, typically 7 to 15 days, because refunds are processed after final billing reconciliation. Keep screenshots and SMS confirmations until the refund completes. You verify the refund by checking your bank account or wallet within the stated window. Confirmation SMS usually follows. If you see no credit after 15 days, escalate with the ticket ID through My Jio escalation or ask for executive support at the store. This speeds reconciliation since they can check ledger status. If problems persist, request a written closure note or a dispute code and retain every screenshot and receipt. Those records make bank chargebacks or regular.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.